J&K mourners on Muharram have now courted controversy because they waved Palestinian flags during the 8th Muharram procession in Srinagar. The mourners also carried a portrait of Iran's supreme leader as well, Ayatollah Al Khamenei. The procession commenced from Guru Bazar, passing through Jahangir Chowk and Lal Chowk, and it will conclude at Dal Gate. This is a controversy that has erupted amidst the Muharram procession, because mourners in Srinagar have taken to the streets not just in remembrance but with a global political message. Palestinian flags were waved and a giant portrait of Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Al Khamenei was also held aloft. And all of this right in the heart of Lal Chowk, from Guru Bazar to Dal Gate. This is the Muharram procession that is being witnessed in Srinagar. There you can see controversial Palestinian flags are also being raised, and Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Al Khamenei's portraits are also being held aloft. And we'll get more details with Zeenat joining us live. Zeenat, Palestinian flags, Iran's supreme leader's portrait, what's happening in the Muharram procession?
See, this is the 8th day of the Muharram, and today the procession has begun from the old traditional routes from the Guru Bazar, and it will conclude in Dal Gate. Again, we are seeing the stringent arrangements that have come from the Jammu and Kashmir police, but again this time the Palestinian flags were waved in the Muharram procession. We've also witnessed the portrait of the supreme leader of Iran, Ayatollah Khamenei's portrait was on display here, despite the police had claimed that the procession has remained clear. But we have witnessed the flags that were carried by the mourners, although the elegies, chanting elegies of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, who is the grandson of the Prophet, peace be upon him. So the procession is going on. There had not been any untoward incident, but the strict arrangements have been made by the police. Meanwhile, the diversions has also been taking place. Although the procession has been banned here at the MA Road, Srinagar, last year the police had to register multiple FIRs when again the Palestinian flags were raised. Even the people were chanting prayers that for the safety of the people living in Gaza. This is the 8th Muharram that is being observed here. The procession has been going on. If you remember, this is the 3rd consecutive year where the processions are going on. But before this, since 1980s, these processions were banned by the Jammu and Kashmir administration. These mourners, the Shia mourners, were not allowed to carry the procession. But seeing the political developments and the situation turning peaceful in the Kashmir Valley, LG Manoj Sinha lifted the ban some 3 years back. So for the last 3 consecutive years, the processions have been witnessed in the traditional routes in the Srinagar. Today, the processions are taking place. The procession started from the Guru Bazar, which is the downtown area of Srinagar, and from the Tenkipora, it took the route of, and now it will also conclude or the culminate at the Dal Gate. Meanwhile, we are seeing the traffic corps, J&K police, the CRPF has been deployed at multiple locations to see that nothing goes untoward.
Right, Zeenat, thank you for joining me with the latest details from Ground Zero. We'll come back to you, but it's time for us to move on.